Are you looking for the best grip work gloves? Here we will break down the top 7 grip work gloves on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1. StoneBreaker Gloves Gardener Women's Gardening Glove. The StoneBreaker gardening gloves guard your hands against thorns, dirt, rough weeds, and more to make gardening a breeze. If you work with thorny bushes every now and then or you just want a more durable pair of gardening gloves, you should consider goatskin gloves like the StoneBreaker gardening gloves. The company uses a mix of goatskin and synthetic materials to make the Gardener gloves, and its Gardener Pro gloves are made entirely out of goatskin. The regular Gardener gloves are a bit less expensive and should be more than enough protection with the goatskin palm and synthetic top. The synthetic top portion allows for more breathability and flexibility while gardening. The leather is double-stitched and reinforced at stress points, so you know these gloves are built to last. Though they're strong enough to be thorn-resistant, they still provide a reasonable amount of dexterity. These gloves are technically made for women. However, both men and women can wear these gardening gloves, so long as they buy the right size. At number 2. DS Safety Men's Waterproof Thermal Winter Work Gloves. Aquavent technology is designed to prevent liquid from penetrating the glove, which keeps the hands clean and dry while you are working in a humid environment. This work glove is also designed with a high-cool grip, a unique 2-layer coating that provides excellent grip in dry and wet conditions to prevent slippage. Our insulated work gloves are ergonomically designed to provide great comfort and effective fatigue relief. Suitable for a variety of indoor and outdoor work such as light metal processing, handling small oily parts and components, paint and gardening, microengineering, processing small castings, parts assembly, other automotive applications. This insulated men's glove is made from 15-gauge blue high-cool on the outside and acrylic terry brushed on the lining. The soft and comfortable lining keeps your hands warm in the winter and cold. Once you have our warm work gloves, your work efficiency will not be affected by the cold environment. DS Safety L6201W winter work gloves are designed with double nylon. Includes a smooth latex coating and a latex palm and thumb coating. Double-layer latex provides optimum water resistance and prevents cold air from entering. This is an ideal glove for low temperature and humid environments. At number 3. Garden Genie Gloves. Sometimes it's just easier, and way more fun, to dig in the dirt with your hands instead of using gardening tools. If that's your philosophy, then these are for you. Made from waterproof and puncture-resistant latex, the Garden Genie gloves are easy to wash and ideal for gripping. Their durable plastic claws also make digging small holes and transplanting plants by hand a breeze. They're great for both men and women. Do you have a favorite yet? Well, we have one more coming up. Also, don't forget to click the subscribe button and the bell icon for instant notifications of our next review. And now back to our list. At number 4. Magid BE337T Bella Men's Comfort Garden Glove. These water-resistant nylon gloves come in 3 sizes for both men and women: small by medium, medium by large, and large by extra large. A few owners warn that they run a bit on the small side, but others say they prefer the snug, streamlined fit to looser, bulkier gloves. They come in black and gray or black and pink. The palms of the Bella Comfort Flex have textured, double-coated, nitrile palms for increased durability and grip. They also feature a knitted wrist that reviewers say is snug enough to prevent leaves, dirt, and other garden debris from collecting inside the cuff of the gloves. Owners also praise the gloves' lightweight construction, but a few note that they aren't ideal for heavy-duty jobs involving lots of thorns. They can be machine washed for easy cleaning. At number 5. Foxgloves Original Gloves. Foxgloves Original Gloves, which come in 8 hues and 3 sizes. Small, for glove sizes 6 or 6.5. medium, for 6.5 to 8, and large, for 8.5 and over. Black and tan are available, but so are brighter choices like red, spring green and fuchsia. Water-resistant Foxgloves are made out of supplex nylon, which provides both toughness and softness for long afternoons of weed pulling or planting. Elastane provides a snug fit, and an extra long cuff helps keep dirt from getting in, too. Reviewers laud them for their lightweight, flexible feel and custom-feeling fit. Though a few caution that they're not a good pick for really wet soil since they're only water-resistant, not waterproof, most recommend them for all but truly heavy-duty or thorny tasks. They're easy to clean in the washing machine, too, owners say. At number 6. Bionic Women's Relief Grip Gardening Gloves. The Bionic Women's Relief Grip Gardening Gloves prevent fatigue and pain while you garden, and they protect your hands from dirt and debris. If you have arthritic or sensitive hands that tire during long bouts of yard work, you may want to buy a pair of the Bionic Relief Grip Gardening Gloves. These gloves were designed by an orthopedic hand surgeon, so they're specially made to address the pain points people have with gardening gloves. Bionic's pad relief system gives you more grip by flattening your hand, and the terry cloth material inside the gloves keeps your hands dry even when they start to sweat. At the joints of the gloves, Bionic added Lycra for more flexibility and dexterity. For extra support at the wrist, there's a light preen wristband. These gloves are also very durable, thanks to the silicone-coated fingertips, which add another layer of protection between your fingers and thorns or splinters. Bionic's gloves are machine washable too, so you can always pop them in the wash when they get too dirty. At number 7. NT370A6M Medium Atlas Nitrile Touch Gloves. These gloves are best suited for light or medium duty. These nylon gloves come in 3 sizes: small, medium, and large, in a range of colors including green, black, purple, and pink. Users report that they can really feel what they're doing and maintain better control compared with thicker gloves. The nitrile-coated palms provide more grip and durability, but reviewers say these gloves are still breathable enough to be comfortable. Like the Handmaster Bella gloves, these probably aren't thick enough for thorn-intensive duties, but they are machine washable.